Alright, so I got this panel off here. This door is locked up. So got this all open. The actuator is all the way down in there. So I go down here, pull up on the latch. Oh, there we go. Nice. There we go. I got that thing unlatched. Now I just gotta get in here and replace this part. We're good to go. I'm gonna take all these screws off here, take this body panel off, and do this. All right, we got the panel off. Here's the actuator here. And pull this. Take these 3 screws out and replace that. There we go. All is fixed. Got the new actuator in. Everything seems to work. Give it a last little test. There we go. All fixed.